Uh, we'll talk about will the Fed pause or skip in June. We'll look at the Fed rate monitor tool, the Fed Watch tool. And again, we've done videos on how to use each of these tools in more detail. So you can hear those videos on how to use the Fed rate monitor tool, how to stay up to date with the CME FED Watch tool via the links to those videos in our notes. And also, just a reminder, you can find links to these tools as well as all kinds of other tools and resources in the link section of our homepage, which is beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U. So again, under reference tools, reference links, we've got the Fed Watch tool and the CME Fed Watch tool and the Fed rate monitor tool. So you can always access those under the link section on our homepage, beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U. So let me bring those up and we'll talk about, whether the Fed's going to pause or skip in June. Okay, so first I'll bring up the Fed rate monitor tool. Both of these are kind of nice. They've got, countdown clock to the next Fed interest rate decision. And then again, we can see the probability right now as to no interest rate hike. So there's a 70-30 chance of no interest rate hike, 30% chance that they're going to hike by 25 basis points. You can see how that's changed in the previous week. So the probability of a pause has gone down. The probability of a hike has gone up over the previous week. You can also see for July right now, we've got a 30% that'll stay the same. 50% it's going to go up, and 17 that it's going to go down. So, the probability says right now people are betting that they're going to pause, and essentially it's a skip, right? Because they're going to pause in June, not hike in June, and then hike in July is what the probabilities are currently saying. So, again, as per this Fed rate monitor tool, they're betting on a skip. So if we look at the Fed Watch tool, again, you've got the countdown clock. And again, it looks pretty consistent. So we've got a 70-30, 70%, stay the same, 30% hike by 25 basis points. Again, we can see how that's changed. So it's, the pause was way up at 99%, and now it's dropped to 70%. Hike dropped from almost 0 to now 30%. Can also see the probabilities here in a table, and I'll zoom this up. I thought this was kind of interesting. Again, we have these videos on how to use these tools in more detail, but we see, okay, we've got it staying the same in June, hiking in July, then staying at 525 to 550 in July, and then they're betting on a cut. November, December, they're betting a cut. My humble opinion, I don't think we're going to get any cuts this year, and I believe that the Fed officials have been pretty clear that they're not going to be cutting this year, and yet the market is currently, again, betting on a cut before the end of the year. So I thought that was interesting to see that trajectory. They're talking about a skip. So again, stay the same June, hike again in July, stay the same in September, and then drop in fourth quarter. You can also see the dot plots here. So again, longer term, we can see, the Fed officials, these are all their various dots, and the median is the blue dots. So we can see going forward in 2024, they're expecting interest rates to decline. So I hope that all helps. Um, my humble opinion, so all this data says that if they hike this week, that could potentially be a shock to the market. The market's, betting that they're not going to hike in this week. So if we do get a hike this week, it'd probably be a 25 basis point hike, and that might cause some, significant drop in the market, significant volatility, because that would be unexpected. So let me know what you all think in the chat and the comments below. Do you think we're going to get a hike? Do we think you're going to get a skip, a pause? What are they going to say? It'll be interesting to hear what you all are thinking. Our other strategies, again, we've got videos on how to make money trading in June. What are the best performing sectors and industries? How do the markets typically perform? And again, I still think the name of the game is sector rotation. I do want to look in our ETF spreadsheet at the various sectors, and we'll talk about how we're playing that in more detail again tomorrow. So again, in our ETF spreadsheet on the screeners tab, we've got this breakdown of the technology components, also a number of other screeners. So again, our Patreon members have access to this at any time. Again, we've talked about, tracking the various technology components, how we're looking at playing these. We'll talk in more detail tomorrow. See SOXL, that semiconductors that, broke through its upper trend line and then got rejected, and it looks like it's probably going to go up for a retest. Same thing with FANG-U, which is the FANG stocks. And again, we'll talk tomorrow in more detail about how we're going to play those potential rejections off of those peaks. I like the FANG-U in particular, although there's some risk that they keep using the FANG stocks as, kind of a safe haven. So they pour into Microsoft, Apple, Google, etc. It's kind of a risk-off move lately. But we see, FANG-U looks like it had this exuberant run. Looks like it may be peaking, so there might be an opportunity there. We've talked about semiconductors for some period of time. Again, biotechs has significant resistance. It's kind of bouncing around. I don't like the overall NASDAQ quite as much. It looks like it has more room to run, although it may be topping as well. So this is TQQQ, short to the NASDAQ is SQQQ. So we would use that, and the inverse of FANG-U is FANG-D. And again, we'll talk in detail tomorrow about how we're watching for opportunities in both the FANG-D and SOXS, which is the short on semiconductors. So I hope that helps. Okay, if anybody else has any questions, we'll talk tomorrow about our dividend-paying stocks, our option strategies, some of the how we made some money with several of our option strategies, as well as dividend-paying stocks tomorrow. So we hope you all will come back 10 a.m. tomorrow, and we'll be selecting our individual stocks, individual ETFs to put on our top swing trading watch list for the trading week of June 12th through June 16th. So again, if anybody in the chat has any last minute questions, if I missed your question, I apologize. Please throw it back up in the chat, and I can answer a few questions for a few minutes. Otherwise, you can, again, always put your questions in the comments to this video. You can ask us questions in our Discord. Just tag us, at BeachBum. Our ID currently is 7313. Apparently Discord's coming out with you can claim a username. I haven't seen how to do that yet, but as soon as we can, we'll claim BeachBum Trading so we don't get imposters going forward. And again, you can always contact us through any of our other social media sites. We've got a Reddit community. We've got a Facebook group. You can, direct message us on our social media sites, and you can find direct links to all of those on our BeachBum Trading homepage, beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U, as well as, again, all these resources, etc., trading platforms, etc. So we hope this all helps, and we hope this will help you make money trading, whether we get a Fed pause or a skip in June, and or going forward with any other, Fed interest rate hikes, cuts, etc. So again, our goal is to help you make money trading, help you succeed in your trading career. We hope you like this information. We hope you'll smash the like button and again share this with your fellow traders and friends. I want to give a shout out to both Easy Mike and Walter Lyons, who have been promoting our channel and our live chats, live streams, and several of the other shows. I appreciate it. And to anyone else that I might have missed, thank you for promoting and sharing and helping to grow our community. That's our goal, and we hope that you will all help continue to grow our community for the mutual benefit of all of our fellow BeachBum traders. So we want to keep growing the community, get more people active in our Discord, get more people active in the live chats, etc., because it benefits all traders. So again, we hope this all helps and hope. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch list, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, And again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow beach bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.